Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the team at Kim, Ben Hadfield, Julie Hadfield, I'm John Hadfield, and I'll just give you a quick presentation on our Kim software. Basically what we have is a software program that allows you to capture the details of companies, resources and projects. A quick snapshot, and this PowerPoint presentation is available if you want us to email it, but it basically captures all the details that you want to about a customer and their information. This scrolls through all of the details of what you can capture, but it allows you to basically build a relationship with the customer. You can find information about where the leads are coming from. It has an inbuilt web browser, so it features the information about the customer inside the system. Of course, it has an auto postcode information for anywhere in the Pacific Rim that drops in the postcode once you've selected the area. You can profile whether the customers are suppliers or clients. You can build a contact list of infinite size, build in pictures, build in reference material like PDFs and PowerPoints. You can build a relationship with the customer. When we come to projects, which is this area of the software, this allows you to actually do sales leads, quotes, jobs, and multi-level jobs. So this area here is the main interface screen. There's information flyouts like the little icons that are on the screen. So you put the information about the job and the details of the job, like indicated in those 5 areas. This area here is populated from the resource area, so you can drop your addresses in there. It's got all of the drop-down information, like you would expect in an Australian-built sign system. All of the information about what the client supplies to you as a client. Then you can build information that appears on the quote. We link the address to Google Maps, so you're building straight Google Map information on the job. Here you can build a typical task quote. We quote in 3 ways: task, resources and advanced. This is the task screen, what the job is, what the task is, who it is and how much it's going to be worth. So the task screen runs through these areas. They have drop-down lists for all of the areas and tasks within the factory. In this area here, from a resource point of view, go through the resource details. Just go through a couple of these, so you can have the jobs split into different resources. You can select an hourly rate, populate how many hours the job's going to take. In the resource areas, which is our second type, this tackles standard items that you produce all the time, and that would allow you to add photos and images, sound waves, PDF files, Word files, and video files, all captured directly onto the job sheet. The finished job comes out with a photo, a description. They're populated automatically. To build a quote like that is approximately 3 or 4 minutes work. It has a traffic light feature down the bottom that shows you the progress. Green means it's finished, orange means it's underway, red means it isn't. Then you can print out the work in progress, and you can move the job from sales lead through the quotes, through the jobs, through the purchase orders, through the master projects, and you can select about 70 different reports standard straight out of the system. When the report's ready, you can categorise into the different areas that you're trying to work with, and then this is a sample of all of the finished standard reports. So in a nutshell, that describes customers and it describes companies and how to do projects. This last area is resources. In resources we have a 700 price list item of finished signed goods. So there's a banner which has a standard price list, like a little bit like the standard pricing guides that are available but in electronic form. You can create your own price lists in multiple format. You can search for any information in any detail. So there's probably nothing that you can put into the system that you can't file. It comes with the price list, like I mentioned. It comes with a complete occupational health and safety kit in it, and a whole lot of Smart Arts finished artwork formats. So it comes with several of the suppliers' databases like Graphic Art Mart, Supply One, Spandex, Halifax Vogel, and many more of the notable suppliers. So they give us up-to-date lists, and we keep those up-to-date. They're all free upgrades as well. So again, the web viewer is used. So again, you can produce a purchase order. So in a nutshell, that's our software. I won't bore you with too much detail, but if you want more, please let us know, and we can send you